Welcome to Spacecraft Guide, the channel that describes how the most complex and historic spacecraft work. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we're continuing our work on the communications panel in the Lunar module on panel 12, and this week we are going to do the Volume B, or VHF B Volume Thumbwheel. When you click on it, it takes you to the VHF Bravo Volume Thumbwheel. What this does is permits continuous adjustment of level of received VHF Bravo audio feed to the headset amplifier. And if you want to get a general idea on how this all works within the communication system, you can go to the video description here and click on it, and it'll take you to a video of how all of the communications work at a basic level. But here, let's go into the schematics for the VHF Bravo Volume Thumbwheel. When we click on that, it takes us to the schematic here. Now, you will see here we have the Volume B Thumbwheel for the VHF Bravo communication system. So what happens is the received VHF Bravo voice from the PMP comes into the VHF Bravo volume control. The thumbwheel, as you spin it up and the numbers go up, it increases the volume. So that increased volume of the signal goes to the diode switch, and that connects with the other volume thumbwheels here. Here it is for the S-band, here it's for the VHF alpha, here it's for the intercom bus. So they all get fed in to this circuit, which goes to the headset amplifier, then to the commander's volume master control, and then onto the commander's headset and the Lunar module pilot's headset. Now here you see you adjust all of these volumes that you have fed into the headset amplifier. But if you want one of them to stand out, like here the VHF Bravo, you turn this one up higher to a higher number than the others, and that way you will guarantee that that signal will be stronger than the others, and you'll be able to hear whatever is on that channel best. That's all for this week. If you would like to use this interactive virtual reality exhibit on the command module, the Lunar module, and the surface of the moon, just go to our Patreon page, and the link will be down below.